Two brotherly love, you already know. Nice day. Oh, God! Yes, sir, in the back. Oh, my God, that shot. Drippy. Yes, sir, my boy Dingy finally getting the... Ooh, get that feel, boy. Ooh. Get to it. Put it... Damn. The deception, though. This girl wearing breast pads the whole time. Trickery. Damn. Man, ain't really nothing left to squeeze, for real. Yeah, get them thorough squeezes in, boy. Man, you should have gone a lot slower, boy. You gotta really take your time with it. This dude, like... Oh my God. He's like, the deception though. He's like, do all girls wear breast pads? Lots of times, a lot of women out here be not authentic. Unnatural. The deception out here in today's world be crazy. Especially in the beauty industry. I like that angle of Makima right now. So bad. Talking about fondling the boobies. Ooh, that shot. Okay, get your feel in, boy. Ooh, okay, girl. I like that. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's memorized for sure. Yeah. Yeah, you better remember that feeling, boy. She gave you a free fill. Yeah, there is a lot of fear of guns, so that gun devil most definitely hella strong. That's Aki for you. Stern, cold-hearted, but really he's a softie on the inside. Just a chill day outside, bro. Just chilling. Two brotherly love, you already know. Nice day. Oh, God! Damn! Oh my God. That gun devil. Oh my God, just clapped so many people. Oh my God, the detail on her eyes. I absolutely love it. Them things like Sakuna fingers. If a devil eats them, they get stronger. Similar concept. I feel bad for Aki. Now we know his story. A little bit of his background. I'm telling you, like that whole gun devil flesh concept is just like Sakuna fingers from Jujutsu Kaisen. Hell yeah, I'll take that, baby girl. Damn, you gonna turn out a kiss from baby girl? I mean, I know Makima bad as she bad, but damn. That's straight facts right there, my boy. He's like, you said what? That's a hell of an offer right there, girl. Yeah, I love the energy, boy. Nah, he's like, I'm trying to get tongue, boy. The hallway of the hotel looks so realistic. It's dope. Ugly ass. Kill it. Nice. Nice. Trippy. I love the OST for Chainsaw Man, bro. Damn. Alright, let's see this new opening. Let's see. So obviously Kobani focus. Mano, baby girl. Okay, yeah, this ending, hella fire, hella creative. Yeah, this is the best one by far. This is so creative, bro. I don't know what the hell that is, but that's dope. The camera angles, nice. Yeah, that ending was dope. Love it, bro. Studio Mappa at it again. They don't disappoint. It's nothing new. We know this. Chainsaw Man, absolute heat, fire, flames, fuego, all of it. It deserves all the praise. Hands down. This opening by far to me was the best one. Hella creative, hella dope camera angles, just the artistry, the way, the color grading, just it's so many different elements that are combined beautifully to make this ending so appealing, so gratifying. You know what I mean, bro? It's like every episode of Chainsaw Man, I just don't want it to end. Studio Mappa, just, bro, they out here, bro. They doing that work. Hands down, top tier animation, top tier storytelling, top tier everything, bro. It's Studio Mappa. All right, they out here. But I'll see y'all on the next one. Stay blessed.